Alright guys, we are 0 dark 30. We got about an hour before sunup, and we're going to be looking for brook trout and splake today. Going to be setting out some traps, going to be some jigging, hoping to get some trout on a jig rod. Should be a good day. It snowed overnight, got like 3 inches of snow, and we went from an east wind and now we got a northwest wind, which is a great wind to fish with. So we're going to get set up before daylight and hopefully have some flags flying here pretty soon. Alright, that mark keeps showing up at 18 feet. And I got a bunch of fish on bottom. Just a real strange morning. There's fish here, they're looking, but they're not hitting. I think the pressure is still off for them. There's a ton of fish on the screen, as you can see right now, but they're just not wanting to. They're not wanting to play, unfortunately. First flag of the day. Approximately 20 feet of water. For trout, splake. Flasher. Yeah. Nah, not going there yet.
Not yet.
How were they rolling yesterday?
They were pretty much spinning it, like frequently, even the perch. Oh, yeah, it turned. Yeah, did a single turn.
As soon as I take the camera away, it turns. Oh yeah, it's turning. It's turning. Fish on?
Yeah.
Trout, perch, what do you think?
Trout.
Trout?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, she's pulling. Wow, it's actually taking on. Could be a nice trout. I bet it's a nice trout. Oh, nice white perch.
Oh, big perch.
Big perch.
Look at that. It's like a 12-incher. Not the exact target species, but we'll take him. Can't complain about them.
Even though we caught trout.
Yeah. Alright, brother's on fire.
You just had one here, so.
Yeah. Alright, brother's on fire. Second trap. Trap over from the one that just went up. Should be moving a little shallower.
Spinning.
Going?
Yeah.
Yeah, slow turning. Just like that white perch.
I'll let it do another turn. Oh, yeah, it's turning. Yeah, turning pretty good now.
Oh yeah, it's
Going
cruising.
down.
It is cruising.
Going down. That one's small, I think. Probably a small perch. Yeah,
Perch. Look at that. Hold on. Oh, he didn't even have the hook. He just had that fish so far in his face that my brother was able to pull him up. It's a little white perch on the white perch hole. It never fails, folks. We've been fishing for 2 hours. Haven't had a thing for a flag. And we're starting to pack up. And we've had 2 flags right in a row. Boom, boom. Now there's something on it though. It's moving around at the bottom of the hole.
See the bait or something's on it?
I think something's on it.
Oh yeah, that's a trout.
Yeah.
That's a trout.
Yep.
Nice.
Just as we're leaving.
That's a trout.
Yep.
Nice trout. Oh
Nice
yeah.
trout.
Nice splake.
Nice splake. Ah, it's too bad. Just as we're leaving. Alright, there we go guys. There's our target fish. One of our target fish. This is a splake. It looks like a brook trout, but it's a cross between a lake trout and a brook trout. See, it has a forked tail. Doesn't have any blue halos. I do have my measuring board today, and that is 16 right on the money. Actually a little more, 16 and a half. And I'm going to keep this guy. This is a stock fish. These do not reproduce. These are sterile fish. So I'm going to get this guy dispatched, and we got maybe 10 minutes, so hopefully another flag or 2 goes up before we have to go. And that fish came in about 10 feet of water, guys. About 2 feet off bottom.